Waremaster operates two CNC lathe machines. CNC machines are very versatile and can be used to create a wide variety of products. Waremaster's CNC lathes are good for small to medium parts that can be simple or complex. CNC machines are used for a variety of applications, including creating prototypes, creating tooling, creating parts for production, creating end products, reducing manufacturing costs, increasing manufacturing efficiency, creating customized products, and much more. There are many CNC companies that offer CNC services. Waremaster prides itself on customer satisfaction and turnkey capabilities. Current capacity specifications are as follows. Waremaster is located in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex and ships nationwide. Contact us for more information.